torrential, hard. You got your umbrella?
Huh?
You got your umbrella?
Yeah.
He's a bit.
I have one. Well, we can all fit under it, man. Around here, it's going through the winter, it's all the way. It'll rain real hard, and then it'll go away every sunny day.
Didn't happen on that way, I'm sorry. It rained for about 2 hours.
Mike was in the phone that became the Stobble. Now it's so bad. Dolly is going to hit Texas.
Oh, well, we can put this away.
All the stations have the
Canopies.
so we were right till lunchtime.
Will train stand under canopy or else not?
Overhead,
Just
yeah.
because they have a dinky canopy doesn't mean that the train will stand.
I'm shooting gun.
Why are you shooting this strange water pattern?
On purpose. To show that I can survive.
I know I didn't bring one.
I've been in Florida. I've been through the rain.
Well, at least it might clean the window a little.
Yeah.
No, it's all oily goop. That won't clean. Need some detergent here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the end of it.